Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on how to flip this image and make it work. And while that video is loading, I want to make sure that you can flip it the other way too. So we're going to rotate this guy 90 degrees. I think it's going to be the same principle with the exception of these center ones. So we're going to take these center ones and break them apart. Ungroup them. We're going to take that name and flip it twice. Well, so in this case, you might want to take all of that and shift select the arrow and rotate it 180 degrees and change your formula on your arrow, which is kind of easy to do. Let's just do it real quick. I think it's going to be easy. Take the shape tool and wow, that was easy and easier than I thought, because it doesn't look like it's nodes. It must be a call out, which is pretty smart. I wonder if we converted it to a curve. Yes. Now we can take that and you'd want to convert this to a line, so right click and line. And then color it in with whatever color that was. And if you ever get to that point, you can always use the Smart Fill tool, go up to the eyedropper, grab that color, and fill that in. And then, of course, you're going to want to go Object, Order, back a page, so the name shows up. Now we just need to turn these guys back to 0. That one doesn't have to be. Back to 0. Back to 0. Back to 0. I think it worked. Anyway, I don't see anything wrong with it. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.